Josh, where are you going?
The people need the weather report. They gotta know.
Well, you shouldn't be going out there in this.
It's okay. I got the...
I don't know where he's going. The windshield wipers don't even work. He's going out in the storm. The blizzard of 2019. He appears to be stuck at the end of the driveway. And trying to plow his way through. But again, why he has his door open, I have no idea.
This is one of our 2 lights in Kalkaska.
How would you say the driving is at this point?
Excellent.
Excellent. The Merc's doing really well.
100 pounds of rock salt, 50 pounds of corn. We're doing well. There's the flag.
Yeah, that's a mess out there.
Hey, we're in Kalkaska, February 24th. The polar vortex winter storm of 2019. Stand up on the roof, ready to go. We're only 2 months from Trout Fest. Can you believe that? 2 months from Trout Fest. We're going to have parades through here, candy dogs, and right to us, snow on the ground. You can see Old Glory whipping. They're talking lots of snow, cold. We'll probably have our like 15th snow day tomorrow. We used to go to snow and weather like this. I don't know what happened to the kids now. I mean, they say they can't get around. I got my Mercury over there, 2-wheel drive. I was able to make it up here fine. 150 pounds, you know, between rock and deer corn. We're getting around fine. Now, apparently, this weather, it stifled the business of downtown. As you can see across the street, everything's dark. All downtown. There's no business. The cow home, the lights on, but nobody's home. Nobody's even at the cow home. No cars. Business is stifled down here. But yeah, you want to wear a good hat, good gloves, you'll get frostbite.
We forgot ours at home.
It's absolutely freezing. But anyways, Bob and I, we're going to be making some YouTube videos on our Adventure Roads channel. We'll probably be doing all kinds of stuff like this, getting out and about.
And we're pretty much freezing right now.
The weather doesn't hold us back. But anyways, have a good night, be safe, and then help your neighbors out if they have power go out.
And the heat finally kicked on. So this is Adventure Roads, over and out.